If you have been trying to heal your gut, say you have cleaned up your diet, you're avoiding foods that trigger your symptoms, maybe you are even taking some good quality supplements, but you still feel bloated, you feel uncomfortable and reactive, then this video is for you. I'm Prajaka. I am a registered dietitian, gut health expert, and holistic healer with over 20 years of experience. I help people heal their digestion, balance their hormones, and restore their sense of well-being. In this video, I would like to talk about gut healing mistakes that I see all the time, even in people who are doing a lot of things right. And just to be clear, these are not mistakes because you are doing something wrong. They are mistakes because most gut health advice is incomplete. So let's walk through them together. Are you ready for this? Mistake number one. Mistake number one is focusing only on food. Yes, food matters. Nutrition plays a vital role, but digestion doesn't start in your stomach. It starts in the brain and in your nervous system. If your body is stressed, rushed, or tense, even the healthiest food won't digest well. I see this all the time. People eating perfect meals but eating while multitasking, eating while driving, talking on the phone, or eating and rushing. That puts the body in survival mode and digestion actually shuts down. Mistake number two is continuing to remove more and more foods from your diet. Say gluten out of the diet, dairy goes out of the diet, then sugar, then grains, then legumes, fruits, and the list continues. At some point, the diet becomes smaller, but symptoms don't improve. That's because restriction doesn't equal healing. If the gut lining, enzymes, or microbiome aren't supported, eliminating foods just hides your problem. And over time, this can create fear around eating and even nutrient deficiencies and some cellular mineral imbalances. It is extremely important to heal and seal the lining of your gut, correct the dysbiosis in your gut with nourishing, gut-friendly foods, homemade meat stock, daily practices to balance your nervous system, and good quality supplements as and when needed. Mistake number three is relying on supplements without addressing the foundations. And this is a big one. Probiotics, digestive enzymes, gut powders, and so many bottles. I see some clients coming to me with bag full of supplements that they have been taking for years without knowing why they are taking some of these supplements. Supplements can be helpful, but they are not magic. Healthy nutrition is the foundation. We need to understand the meaning of the word supplements. They are supplementing your healthy eating and not replacing your nourishing diet. If minerals are depleted, if stomach acid is low, and if your nervous system is dysregulated, supplements often do not work the way we expect. Sometimes they even make symptoms worse. When I see my clients taking bunch of supplements, I actually advise them to discontinue the supplements which help to calm the body and actually decrease some stress on your liver. I see people blame themselves, but the reality is their body just wasn't ready. Moving on to mistake number 4 is brushing off stress as normal. Yes, I understand life is busy. Stress happens. But chronic stress changes gut function. It affects gut motility. It reduces enzyme secretion, creates microbiome imbalance, and it can even lead to gut permeability or leaky gut. If your symptoms flare during emotional stress, travel, or overwhelm, that's not random. Your gut is responding to your nervous system. Ignoring that piece slows your healing every time. Mistake number 5 is expecting full recovery in 30 days. And I say this with love. I truly wish it worked that way. Yes, you can improve symptoms quickly. You can reduce your bloating. You can improve your bowel movements. You can even feel better in few weeks. And that part is definitely possible. But actually healing the gut lining or restoring your digestion and calming long-standing inflammation that often takes months to heal, or sometimes even longer, especially if you have had chronic digestive issues for 5, 10, or even more years. One rule of thumb I often use with my clients is this: roughly 1 month of healing for every year of being unwell. It's not exact. Everyone is different, but it helps set realistic expectations. We have been conditioned to expect quick fixes. Take a pill, suppress the symptoms, and then move on. But true healing, especially in the digestive system, does take time. Unlike a broken arm, you can't put your gut in a cast. Your gut is working every single day while it is trying to heal. It is a delicate process. There is every reason to stay hopeful. Just be realistic, and sadly, 30 days probably isn't enough. Mistake number 7 is using a one-size-fits-all protocol. If there is one thing I know for sure, it's this: no two gut cases are ever the same. There are too many variables: root causes, medical history, stress level, mineral status, food sensitivities, environment, lifestyle, your exposure to toxins. All of these matter. So reading about someone's success online and copying their exact protocol usually does not work. I wish it did. My job would be so much easier. I have personally spent a lot of time and money trying this approach. Different cleanses, 30-day gut repair programs, 3-month digestive resets. They all taught me something, don't get me wrong, but none of them addressed the complexity of what was actually happening in my body. Templates such as specific carbohydrate diet or AIP diet or low FODMAP can be helpful starting points. Herbal blends can be even useful, but they are just templates. The real work is matching the right approach to your specific root causes and treating the root causes to your gut issues. Healing is a process, and the plan has to be evolved with you. What works in month 1 may not be right in month 3. True gut healing is not a copy-paste. It is very, very personalized. It's responsive and it requires attention. And this is exactly why in my practice, I do not use standard protocols. I don't believe in handing out the same diet, the same supplement list, or the same 30-day reset to everyone. because gut healing is not just about food. It's about the nervous system. It's about mineral balance in your cells. It's about how your body has adapted to stress over time. Two people can both have similar symptoms like bloating, but one may be dealing with nervous system overload, while the another may have deeper mineral depletion. The plan cannot be the same. So the healing plan that I create is always individualized. It's based on your history, your stress pattern, your digestion, your energy, and how your body is actually responding. We may begin with a framework, but we adjust it as your nervous system calms and as your body becomes stronger and stronger. Because real healing is layered and it evolves, you need to have individualized approach. So if you recognize yourself in any of these, nothing is wrong with you. Your body is not broken. It's communicating. If there is one thing I want you to remember is this: gut healing works best when we support the body as a whole. If this resonated, pause for a moment and notice how your body feels. And if you are currently working with me, send me a message and tell me which mistake stood out the most. That awareness is a very powerful first step. And before we wrap up, if you are listening to this and thinking, okay, where do I even begin? I have created something to help you. It's a free download guide called Fix Your Gut. And this is not a rigid protocol. It's not a one-size-fits-all reset. It's a simple framework, a starting point for you when you are beginning your gut healing journey. Inside this guide, I walk you through the foundational pieces, so you're not just guessing or jumping from trend to trend. You can download it for free using the link below and use it as a starting roadmap. And remember, frameworks are helpful, but personalization is where the real transformation happens. If this video resonated with you, subscribe for my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.